saw something on my tablet say it's gonna rain tomorrow. Yesterday.
Come in here where it's a little safer.
Yesterday I saw it say it's gonna rain tomorrow.
I'm gonna move the car.
Okay. Dad's just gonna move the car right now. Something on that. And yes, I do still have this right one. Because it's still here. Dad's just moving the car because he's afraid the tree might topple over and crash and hit something. And, well, yeah. I'm not completely on screen right now. So, yesterday I saw something that said it's going to rain today, so it might rain today. I think it's not just going to rain, I think it's going to, like, storm. I mean, if you look at the clouds, they're, like, dark.
Let me get my shoes on. I gotta get that tub before it goes away.
Okay. That's just going back inside. I'm keeping an eye out over here. Yeah, it's just a new storm, and if it gets too stormy, I'm gonna have to end this video, unless the storm is really bad and it cuts out my video because it cuts out my internet. That happened to me a few minutes ago. Yeah. I think my dad's coming back soon. If you can see, that's
crazy.
Wait. If you can see, the sky's really dark.
Yeah.
And I'm talking to them.
Not me.
Well, you can listen too. But, whoa! Almost blew my tablet away. And also, that's the tree that Dad was afraid was going to topple over. I don't think you guys can see it. It's that one, big one. It's blowing me away. Don't lose my tablet. I don't want to. Let's see what. Oh, by the way, for some reason I don't know where to put. That's fine. Whoa. Okay. I think it's time to go back inside. Time to go back inside. For me. What? What, Dad? It toppled over the chairs. It toppled over the bench. My gosh. Yeah, I think we do. I think I know where a few are. They're back in the backyard. Ah! Okay, I think it's really time to go back inside for me.
Alright. So crazy.
It's not even letting me open that door.
That's the garage door for creating a vacuum.
It's not even letting it shut.
Well, try it again.
Okay. Oh my god.
The wind is pretty strong, huh?
I still can't open this because my arms hurt a lot, as you can see.
Yeah, it's kind of a question.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video here. That was crazy. I think I have a headache.